The Talented Clementine, Vocabulary Test Number 1. It is important to pay blank to directions. Talents, attention, audience, realize, decode. Number 2. I blank that I left my lunchbox on the bus. Talents, attention, audience, realized, decode. Number 3. One of my blank is juggling. Talents, attention, audience, realized, decode. Number 4. The blank clapped and cheered for the band. Talents, attention, audience, realized, decode. Number 5. My greatest blank is that I won the football championship. Talents, achievement, audience, realized, decode. Number 6. I blank for accidentally bumping into her. Contractions, confidence, embarrassed, achievement, apologized. Number 7. I had blank in myself and passed my vocabulary test. Talents, confidence, embarrassed, achievement, apologized. Number 8. I was blank when I slipped and fell in front of the whole class. Contractions, confidence, embarrassed, achievement, apologized. Number 9. The problem in the story: conflict, resolution, embarrassed, achievement, apologized. Number 10. How the problem is solved: conflict, resolution, embarrassed, achievement, apologized.